there, my name's Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use printed vinyl from Heat Transfer Source. I got this cute design in one of the mystery packs that I got recently, and so I've been excited to try it out. So you will need some patterned vinyl for this project. You're also going to need a HTV transfer mask. So this is somewhat of a transfer tape, since the pattern vinyl here does not have the clear carrier sheet on it. So I will show you how to use this. I also have my tank top here that I'm going to use to put the design on. So I went ahead and laid that out. Okay, so now we are in design space here. I have my image uploaded that I'm going to use. I got this image on Etsy. If anyone is interested, you can search Summer Vibes SVG and it should pop up. So right now it is almost 5 inches. So I've decided I want it about 8 inches wide for the tank top I'm using. So I'm going to go up to the top here and hit 8. So that makes it about 8 by 10, which is what I'm wanting there. Okay, so that's it for that part. We're going to hit make it. What is important with patterned vinyl is you do not mirror it. You want to put the pretty side up and do not mirror, because it doesn't have the clear carrier sheet on it. So we will be putting that on there. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to my Cricut to cut, and then I will see you back on video. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on my mat, pretty side up. Put that on there. And I am just cutting it on the iron-on setting. So that's going to go ahead and cut for us real quick, and I will show you how to put it on the transfer sheet. Okay, so it is all done cutting now. I'm going to eject it, and I am going to weed this now. I have my Tweety light here. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. It's a very sharp tool, and then it also has a little light on it. It has made weeding a million times easier than what I was using previously. So I'm just going to start at the corner here. Just peel up the excess. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And it's always good to refer back to your design, just so you know you're not weeding the wrong areas. Okay. Now this is what we are left with. How cute is that? So I'm just going to go ahead and take the plastic backing off, if I can get it off here. Okay. Pull this off. And then, like transfer tape, I'm going to fold it kind of hot dog style and then put it in the middle of the design. So just slowly peel while you're doing this, just in case something's not coming up right. You can push it back down and kind of re-peel. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and get over to the heat press, and I will show you how to apply this. Okay, all done. Take this off of here. And I'll take my cooling block. These are also awesome. Heat Transfer Source sells them, and it really helps cool down your vinyl. I use it on almost everything, even on warm peel. I give it a couple swipes back and forth, and it makes it so you can actually touch it and you're not burning your fingers off. So it is still pretty warm. If it's cold peel, I like to take it off the press and air it out just a little. All right, let's give it a go. It is still a little bit warm, so I'm just gonna carefully peel here. But it looks like it's not an issue, so. I think this design worked really well with this shirt. The colors just match it perfectly. Let me hold it up here so you can see it. And there we go. And that's how you use pattern vinyl. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give it a like if you did. Thank you.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.